I had this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to link your bank account on ING, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the ING app. Download and open the ING mobile app on your smartphone. Make sure you reload into your account. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, find the Settings option in the main menu. This is usually represented by a gear icon. Step 3. Select Bank Accounts. In the Settings menu, look for the Bank Accounts section. Tap on it to proceed with linking your new account. Step 4. Enter bank details. You will now need to input your bank account details, including the account number and routing number. Double check for accuracy to avoid errors. Voucher, if you enter the wrong routing number, the linking process will fail, so be careful. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering the details, review them and hit the confirm button. Your bank account should now be linked successfully. That's it. You're all set to manage your finances more easily with your bank account linked to ING. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.